Hi, I'm Jack from MegaMaxx, and this is a quick intro to our blue paper roll dispenser. So back in 2016, we used this like many other businesses do in the UK standard blue paper tissue. So whether you're a school, factory, hospital, car mechanics garage, even in your home garage, you'll probably come across it at some point in your life. And we soon realised back in 2016 that there was no decent dispenser for it. So we set about designing one as we manufactured products for metal in the UK. So this is our 5th edition, now it's 2022 and there's been many design improvements and changes. This is the package in which it comes in, a nice sleek design cardboard wrap. We also design and manufacture that too. The material itself it's made from is galvanised steel, and you'll probably find no one else does manufacture them from galvanised steel, and then it's got a premium powder coated finish. So it'd be very corrosion resistant. You can even use it outside, but I probably wouldn't because the blue paper will go bad. But it is suitable for damp environments and it won't go rusty because it is galvanised underneath the powder coat. I'm going to quickly show you now how to install it. So you will see the colour you have bought there, also a photo and description. So simply slice along the plastic. And when you open it, you're going to see the assembly instructions. Always make sure it's showing the MegaMaxx brand and a very high quality black powder coated finish. You remove the plastic wrap. To the starting point, you want to remove all the parts. So this is one side panel, you can remove that. The other side panel. The tube, also make sure it's going to show the MegaMaxx branding. Also manufacture these too. We have the top shelf, packet of screws, and also the leaflet. Shows our full range. So it's very simple, 4 parts, tube, screws. If you're buying a black one, the top is smooth black, as with all our other colours. Only on the black and the coloured editions, you're going to have a textured black side panel. If you buy the blue one, it will all be smooth blue. It's very clean, very easy to clean. So this is the front. You're going to take the side panel and that simply screws on there. So you want to start the screws by hand, just simply screw them in. Very easy. We all hate flat pack furniture, but if you just relax, take your time, you're going to have a stress-free event. And just tighten them up. Let's hold on to them. And you flip it round and do the other side. So once you've screwed both sides on, there you go, it's one sturdy construction. And that's the fixings for the wall, so you've got a nice keyhole hook and a hole at the bottom. The tube will go simply in like that with the blue paper on. So now we're going to fix it to the wall. So I'm going to install it the easy way. I have a small magnetic spirit level, put that on the wall where you want it to go, level it perfectly, and take a pencil and mark the holes. Obviously it depends what type of wall you have to know what fixings you need. We have a wooden wall, so we can put screws straight in. You might need to use raw plugs. So once you have the screws in the wall on the top, put them over the holes and drop it in place. Then obviously if you had a concrete wall, you'd have drilled and raw plugged that so you can put the screws straight in. As you can see, we've added a handy QR code on the inside, so once you do run out of blue paper roll, that's easily visible. And you can scan it with your iPhone or Android phone, and it will take you a link directly to our website where you're going to get very big discounts on our blue paper roll. There you go, you're ready to go.